Guys, this is Cody's Brew. I have some very, very bad news. The owner of the server, Adrian, YouTube channel Boy the Sheep, she is very, very sick, and possibly, but not most not likely, could die. And so me and my friends, to cheer her up a bit, we've made so far a skyscraper, and we need everybody's help to make this gigantic. And that's really the message I gotta say. Go to her channel, give her giving her a shout. Go to her channel, so give her some get well soon messages or comments, and they really help out a lot, because she just really hasn't been feeling well lately. I just don't know what to say. I guess I'll see you guys later. Actually, I will see you guys on the other side. Bye!